It is a few weeks now that my TV setups is making me issues. I have a 40-inch Toshiba LED TV from 8 or 10 years ago, an X96 streamer that I use to watch with it Netflix and YouTube, connect with HDMI cable to the TV. Used to put a USB card or SD card for local TV shows, but lately I had some memories issues, and YouTube stopped working and asked me to update the app, and this device is running a very old Android, and I decided to buy a new TV. I don't watch a lot of TV. I looked for something that is cheap on the budget, and I found this 50-inch TCL Android TV, so I don't need to connect the streamer anymore. At first I attached the legs that came with the TV, but after that I discovered that the TV is too big for my current table, and later on I will make a video about how I hang it on the wall and how is the quality of the TV itself. What I want to accomplish in this video is to see if I won't have any issues when I try to run the Disney Plus app, because this didn't work on my old setup. First time turning on the TV was a little bit on the slow side, but I noticed that all the other times that I try to turn on, it's turn on very quickly. I really try to make this setup process very fast and easy. Seriously, all I wanted to know is that the Disney Plus is working, and later on I will test all the other stuff. I probably gonna make a part 2 for this video, but for this part 1 is only the unboxing and connecting to this specific app. Also, I agree to make this update. remove some stickers meanwhile. Some of these settings I wasn't sure why they need to know, so I just uncheck it. Need to choose a name for the TV. I choose the environment and region. Accept more terms and conditions. I didn't find a way to bypass all of this. I don't like automatic updates. I wasn't sure what this pairing the remote control actually doing, because the remote is working. So, but I did it anyway because it's this is a short procedure. Okay, so finally the TV came up. I checked really quick that Netflix is working, and after that I try to find the Disney Plus app, and I found it in the Play Store, but I think it was pre-installed on the TV. There was a specific TV show that really didn't play at all when I tried. It's The New Girl, and on the new TV it's working just fine. So I'm finished this unboxing for now. Thanks for watching.